Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Part Question 26. A length of wire has a frequency of 255 Hz when stretched by a force of 225 Newton. If the force increases to 324 Newton, what is the new frequency of vibration? A. 488 Hz, B. 356 Hz, C. 306 Hz, D. 512 Hz. So we have a frequency of a wire given to us here when it is stretched by this force, and we're asked what the new frequency of vibration will be if the force is increased to this. So F1, which is the initial frequency, okay, at this particular force, is 255 Hz, and then F2 is what we are looking for, the new frequency. Now we'll describe the forces as T. So T1 is 225 Newton, and then T2 is 324 Newton. Now, frequency of vibration is directly proportional to the square root of the force, the applied force. Therefore, when you have two frequencies and two forces given to you, this is the formula you would make use of. F1 over root T1 is equal to F2 over root T2. So you substitute the values into this formula given to you directly. So F1 255 divided by T1, which is 225, remember square root of it, is equal to F2, which is unknown to you, and T2 root T2, which is 324. Now F2 will therefore be equal to 255 times root 324 divided by root 225, and this is equal to 255 multiplied by 18 over 15, which is equal to 306 Hz. So 306 Hz is the new frequency of the vibration, F2, and that is option C, which is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.